Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will know that how to fix sound problem on your smart TV. So let's start the video. If your problem is with the sound problem, how to fix it? So guys, go here, your TV setting. This is your TV setting and click here this option. And after that guys, click here device preference option. Click here, and after that guys, scroll down here and you can see here there are a option sound. Click on it, and if this option is off like this, turn on it, and after that guys, sound mode select here, and if there are any option is selected, select here only standard option. Okay, and after that guys, select here speakers option and click here. If this option is selected here, now click again and select this option TV speakers. Okay, just select there TV speaker, and after that guys, you can see here digital output delay. Click on it and select here 0 in center. Okay, digital output delay settings should be here 0 and select here set center. Back again and click here AGC option. Okay, and guys, select these settings same as it is. Okay, if this checkbox is checked, and after that align this setting properly. Okay, uncheck now it and go back and check your system problem is fixed or not. So guys, if your problem is not fixed here, now check your speaker. Okay, if you connected another speaker like this, check the cable. If your problem is not fixed guys, please restart your TV, and after that disconnect all wire from your TV like this. This cable should be removed here, and wait for 30 seconds, and after that again put here, and after that guys, start your TV and then check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. If your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.